Hello students. Today we discuss about an important topic of people and environment. That is Sustainable Development Goal, Millennium Development Goal, the National Action Plan on Climate Change. Okay. Sustainable Development Goal, it is a global agenda adopted by countries in 2015 with a vision of ending poverty, protecting the planet, and ensuring that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. It includes 17 goals. Okay, let's see one by one. The first goal, no poverty. The aim for this goal is to eliminate extreme poverty by 2030. This involves increasing basic resources and services and supporting communities affected by conflict and climate related disaster. Okay, so what is the first goal of sustainable development? That is no poverty. Okay, eliminate extreme poverty. Next goal, zero hunger. It means end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and to promote sustainable agriculture. This goal focuses to end hunger and ensure access to safe and nutritious foods for all people all year, round by the year 2030. Okay, so zero hunger means end hunger. Okay. Third one, good health and well-being. It ensures healthy lives and to promote well-being for all at all age. Through this goal, reduce the maternal mortality rate. Okay, and preventable death for newborns and children under the 5 years of age, and the diseases for the AIDS, malaria, and waterborne diseases. Okay, so it focus on promoting global access and reproductive health services, achieving universal health coverage. Okay, so good health and well-being, it's focus on universal health coverage. The fourth goal, quality education. It ensures equal quality education and to promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Okay, so the first target of this goal is to ensure that all children complete free, equitable, and quality primary and secondary education. This goal also focuses to eliminate gender disparity in education and also ensure that all learners acquire knowledge and skill to promote sustainable development. Okay, to build the education facilities that are safe and sensitive to all needs, including disabilities. Okay, so quality education means equal or quality education. Okay, equal opportunities for all. Next one, gender equality. This goal will work to end global discrimination of women and girls and all form of violence against women. Okay, it ensures full and effective participation of women at all political, economic, and public level of decision making, and ensure universal access to sexual and reproductive health care. Okay, so this goal means achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Okay, next one, clean water and sanitation. Okay, this goal provide equal access to safe and affordable drinking water for all people through the reduction of pollution and increase the water use efficiency. Okay, so it ensure availability and a sustainable management of water and sanitation. Okay. Then the seventh goal, affordable and clean energy. It ensures access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. It focuses double the rate of improvement in energy efficiency through the enhancement of international cooperation and research and technology, and through the expansion of infrastructure and technology. Okay, so the seventh goal, affordable and clean energy for all. Okay. Next goal, decent work and economic growth. It promotes sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Through this goal, they also hope to eradicate forced labor as well as promote safe and secure work environment. Okay, and also protect labor rights, promote sustainable tourism, and strengthen the capacity of domestic financial institutions. This all leads to our economic growth. Okay. Next goal, industry, innovation and infrastructure. It to promote sustainable industrialization and innovation. This goal helps to increase and improve infrastructure to support economic development and financial services for small scale industrial enterprises. It also increase research, technology and innovation. Okay. Next goal, reduce the inequalities. Okay, reduce the inequalities among countries. Okay, this goal focused on improvement of regulations and strengthen global financial market and facilitate migration and mobility of people, that is safe, orderly and responsible. Okay, reduce inequalities among countries. Okay. Next goal, sustainable cities and communities. Under this goal, access to safe and affordable housing for all and access to safe and affordable transportation for all. Okay, so mainly sustainable cities and communities, it's a focus on affordable housing, transportation for all. Okay, and also provide sustainable urbanization, planning and management. Next one, sustainable consumption and production. It promotes resources and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure. Okay, and to provide a better quality of life for all. It focuses on educating consumers on sustainable consumption and their lifestyle. Okay, so this goal is mainly focused on consumption and production. Next one, climate action. Here we discuss about climate change. Climate change is now affecting every country. People are experiencing the significant impact of climate change, which include changing weather pattern, rising sea level, and more extreme weather events. So, take an urgent action towards the climate change and their impact. Okay. Next one, life below water. Sustainable Development Goal aims to sustainably manage and to protect marine and coastal ecosystem from pollution. How we manage these important resources, which is essential for humanity as a whole. Okay, so we enhancing conservation and sustainable use of oceans, sea, and marine resources for sustainable development. Through the international law, will also help reduce the challenges facing our oceans. Okay. Next one, life on land. Human life depends on earth. Plant life provide 80% of the human diet and we rely on agriculture as an important economic resources. We depend on ecosystem and forest as an essential source of food material, product ingredient. So the sustainable development goal on life on earth is all about protecting and promoting the sustainable use of ecosystem so that we can have a better future. Okay, that is life on land. Then the next goal, peace, justice and strong institutions. We cannot hope for sustainable development without peace, stability, rights, and effective governance based on the rule of law. Sustainable Development Goal aims to reduce all form of violence or work with the government and communities to end conflict and insecurity. Okay, promoting the rule of law and human rights are the key points to maintain peace and justice. Okay, it increases the participation of developing countries in the institution of global governance. Okay, that is the 16th goal, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Okay, then the last goal, partnership for the goals. The global goal can only achieve if we work together. Okay, international investment and support is needed to ensure innovative technological development, fair trade, especially for developing countries. Okay, and also it is strengthen worldwide partnership. We all have to take an action to build a better world. Okay, we need to be supportive, empathetic, and cooperative. Okay, so partnership for goal means we work together. Okay, for achieving that goal. Okay, this is the 17 goal of sustainable development. Okay. Okay, MDG, Millennium Development Goals. Millennium Development Goals are the 8 international development goals for the year 2015. Each goal has a specific target. The 8 goals were measured by 21 targets. Okay, these are the 8 goals of Millennium Development. Okay, let's see one by one. The first one, eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Number of hungry people in the world. So the main aim of this goal is to achieve full and productive employment as well as decent work for all, including young people and women. Thereby, it can reduce the poverty and hunger. Okay. The second goal, achieve universal primary education. It ensures that children universally, including both boys and girls, will be able to complete a full course of primary education by 2015. At the same time, to give rural people the capacity to feed themselves and to overcome hunger, poverty, and illiteracy. Okay, so second goal is achieve universal primary education, including both boys and girls. The next goal is promote gender equality and empowered women. Okay, it is an important to promote the total and equitable participation of both the men and the women in efforts aimed at improving poverty reduction, food security, and sustainability of rural development. So, without gender equality and the economic and social improvement for rural women, food security cannot be achieved. So, promote gender equality and empowered women. Okay, is the third goal of Millennium Development. Then the fourth one, reduce child mortality. Okay, undernutrition is estimated to contribute to more than 33% of all death in children. Okay, undernutrition is the main reason for the child death. So, an effort to improve household food security and nutrition have increased the chance of children growing to adulthood. Okay, so effort include the provision of training material, training program for local and national staff, and nutrition education program. It also improving complementary feeding for babies or giving food in addition to breast milk. Okay, which lead to significant reduction in the child mortality caused by undernutrition. Okay, so this is the fourth goal of Millennium Development, reduce child mortality. Another one, improve maternal health. Improving maternal health is a criteria to saving the lives of thousands of women who die due to complication from pregnancy and childbirth each year. Our 90% of this death could be prevented if women in developing regions had access to sufficient diet, basic literacy, and health services, and safe water during pregnancy and childbirth. Okay, so it will lead to improve the maternal health. Next one, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. HIV, malaria, and other diseases directly and indirectly impact food and nutrition security, rural development, and agricultural productivity. At the same time, food and nutrition insecurity can increase this disease. Okay, so give protection to workers. from HIV infection and facilitate everyone access to care, treatment and support and social protection for all those living with or affected by HIV or AIDS. Okay, so this is the sixth goal of Millennium Development: combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Then the seventh goal: ensure environmental sustainability. Okay, it is not only for environmental sustainability but also for food security. Okay, it is very important that natural resource and ecosystem are managed sustainably to ensure that people food requirement and other social, economic and environmental needs are sufficiently met. Okay, that is why it is not only environmental sustainability but also food security. Okay, so seventh goal is ensure sustainable environmental sustainability. Okay. Then the last one, a global partnership for development. It focuses on the development of a global partnership by promoting policies, productive employment, social protection and rights at center of development concern. Okay, so these are the 8 goals of Millennium Development Goal. Okay. Next, we discuss an important topic: National Action Plan on Climate Change. Okay, National Action Plan on Climate Change is a government document that includes 8 goals for the country to achieve. It was released on 13th June 2008 to address the future policies and program for the climate mitigation and adaptation. Okay, so what are the 8 goals or 8 mission of National Action Plan on Climate Change? Okay, look at one by one. Okay, the first mission of this plan, Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission. Okay, National Solar Mission is an initiative of the Government of India to promote solar power. The main objective of this mission is to make in a global leader, okay, in a global effort in the production of solar energy. It also promotes research and development in the area of solar energy. Okay, that is the first mission, National Solar Mission. Next mission, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. This mission promotes the market for energy efficiency by improving innovative policies and effective market instrument. It includes PAT. PAT stands for Perform, Achieve and Trade. Then EEFP, that means Energy Efficiency Financing Platform. And MTEE, Market Transformation for Energy Efficiency. Then FEED, Framework for Energy Efficient Economic Development. Okay, so we can say that the National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency is a market-based approach to achieve energy efficiency opportunities. Okay, so this is the second goal, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. Next one, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat. It aims to make cities sustainable through improvement in energy efficiency in building, management of solid waste, shift to public transport. That means it makes long-term transport plans to facilitate the growth of medium and small cities in such a way that ensure efficient and convenient public transport through the proper changes in legal and regulatory framework. And it also helped to improve advanced warning system for extreme weather events. Okay, that is National Mission on Sustainable Habitat. This is a third mission on National Action Plan on Climate Change. Next one, National Water Mission. Okay, it's for the fresh water. This mission ensures integrated water resource management The aim of this mission to conserve water, minimize wastage, and ensure more equitable distribution both across and within state. Okay, so fourth one, water mission, national water mission. Okay. Next one, national mission for sustaining the Himalayan ecosystem. Himalaya is very important for India from the climate change point of view. Okay, the objective of this mission is to develop sustainable national capacity to continuously assess the health status of the Himalayan ecosystem. Okay, this mission cover 12 Himalayan states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya, Assam, and West Bengal. Okay, so this mission is for assess the health status of the Himalayan ecosystem. Okay, assess the health status and for the sustaining the Himalayan ecosystem. Okay. Next one, National Mission for Green India. It is commonly called Green India Mission. Okay, to improve the quality of the forest and strengthening of regulatory framework for conservation. The aim of this mission is to protect, restore, and enhance India's diminishing forest cover. It will be implemented on both the public as well as private land, with a key role of the local communities in planning, decision making, and implementation. Okay, this is the sixth mission, National Mission for Green India. Is mainly focused on the quality of the forest. Okay. Then the seventh one, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. This mission is governed by Ministry of Agriculture. Okay, this mission is formulated for enhancing agriculture production, particularly in rain-fed areas, focusing on integrated farms, water use efficiency, and resource conservation. It also helps develop new variety of crops and alternative cropping patterns. Okay, so the National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture is encourage farmer to earn a decent living growing good food on healthy land. Okay. Then the last one, National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. This mission aims to create a comprehensive knowledge system that inform and support climate change action in India with the help of research and a communication based action. Okay, so this is the eighth mission. Okay, this is the eighth mission of National Action Plan on Climate Change. Okay. Okay, please note Sustainable Development Goal, 17 goals. Then Millennium Development Goals, 8 goals. And a National Action Plan on Climate Change. It will focus on 8 mission. Okay.